Thikoni ni thutha wa thirikari kuhitukira kamiti ya bunge igie kigina kuheana mendekithia meru watho-ini wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2024. Riu Ataramu wa ungania wa magoti ni mareganite na mendekithia maya. Ataramu maugite ya Kenya ihinda riri matiharirie kuriha magoti maya kuona ingi ao matiguithitio uria makuhuthika uguo kuhitukio kwa mogokio yo ta undu gutungio uregani munene.
Even as you want to increase your tax to GDP ratio, we think we are paying too much taxes.
Kuringana na andikani na iganda aria mekinyetie giikaro-ini giki rigutiri undu tangaja kambuni tiganite cia gwikora ikirugamia wira kana kufuta aruti a wira niguo gwithemana na hathara.
We had investors giving their comments around how much taxes they have to bear, and that's uncertainty around the many tax changes that we see in the country. We had employers saying they're already contributing a lot for employees, especially where they're matching contributions, and that has an impact in terms of employment.
Igoti ria gukorwo na ngari riria rendekithitio kurihagwo gatagati ga ciringi 5,000 na 1,100 rikamenererio ta rimwe ria magoti maria matagirire gukorwo na makigwetwo kuona ria guthararia thogori ya ngari hamwe na thogori ya insurance.
It's going to really make people actually now either reduce their spend in terms of the motor vehicle, reduce insurance, because you see it's the insurance company that are supposed to enhance compliance with this tax.
Kuona mendekithia maya no marendekithia igoti ria VAT rikiriro hari motungata magutuma mbeca hari mafegi riu anyite mirohonge-ini ro mafegi magatanya kugumirwo ni hathara kuona Kenya ingi maya kwendererea uhuthiri wa mbeca farifari andu ha mafegi riu magoti maya magitanya kuongerera murigo wa igoti ria rikoretwo rikirihio mafegi ria excise duty.
Effectively, it will mean for financial transactions the tax has increased all the way cumulatively to 39%. This will make people reduce the number of transactions that they may have and also move away from using the normal channel, and people will go back to a cash economy. It was easier to monitor money when it is in the system. When we move to a cash economy, it will be hard to monitor in terms of where is the money coming from, where is it going to.
Mutugo wa thirikari kuhithukagira Kenya mwaka thutha wa uria ungi na kumatungia magoti kiundutho hatari gwikirira mawoni mao ukagwetwo ta thina umwe ugicungiriria uregani kuma kuri Kenya na muthia ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti rwa KRA ruremererwo kungania magoti ta uria rubatie. Mieri ta ino no ikitio ni ngwataniro ya wonjoria na iganda ya KNCCI kaunti-ini ya Murang'a. Riu ngwataniro na kiuga maya ni magoti makogagaia wonjoria undu umwe na kuhatiriria wandikani.
Akuria thirikari itu imarore muno irore maundu macio ma horo wa taxation na proposals icio na metikire na guka guku kuria huria biashara tondu huria biashara ni merutire kuruta wira ni merutire kuruta biashara no horo wa magoti ni ukoretwo kihinyiriria ahuritu a biashara guku.
Ona andu ungi tax andu muno mu biashara ndihurikaga twagirwo ni concentrate na maundu ma production not kuhinyiriria andu muno.
Bill ici ciarehwo bunge tafadhali roragai muingiro wa muthurire na murore mabatara maria namo reke tugatuika gutetera andu aria matuthurire.
Adini ya KAMEME TV re turakoni bataru wa Mwagi.